Hello, 3D modeling class. I hope you guys are having an okay time wherever you are and whatever you're doing. Wanted to give you a couple heads up. First of all, I think you all were emailed from the dean or whomever about pass-fail options. As a reminder, you know how we're going to be grading. Pass-fail, I believe, is helpful if you don't need these credits for your major, I think. All of that stuff is in the emails that I know you have. There's a ton of information about the pass-fail option. And that was done really just because of what we're doing here with the coronavirus stuff. Blog post, I changed the due date because I realized I didn't give you a heads up about it, and I don't know if people need to work at getting more software onto their computers. Essentially, I want you to do a YouTube tutorial about a certain aspect of your prop. So the way that I did it, maybe would have done a tutorial on like the barrel of the gun or the handle of the gun. And you don't have to be the expert. You are becoming the expert because you are modeling these things. In the upcoming videos for this week, really I tackle a wingnut. Um, and so in doing that, like maybe the wingnut is a small component of one of your props, in which case that's all I would expect to see, a video of you attacking the wingnut in 3D modeling, or whatever it is that you're doing. Speaking of which, the videos I have assigned, that will be assigned for you to look at in terms of what is the class videos, is really about looking at wingnuts. It's basically referring back to what I've asked you to watch for last week, which I think is a lot. Using all of those tools is a lot, and so I'm okay with just focusing on those videos. But also, I wanted to look at specifically the concept of chamfering, and so I'm offering that in the videos for this week. I look at a wingnut, we use extrude and chamfering instead of turbosmooth, so I want you to really understand the difference between those two things. And then of course I do a fun normal map from scratch in Photoshop. Um, and so there's that. And I think that's all you need to know for this week. You are continuing to work on your prop. And so the blog post is to kind of get you motivated to show off your knowledge of modeling your prop. And if you need software to record your screen and your voice, I use Kaltura. It's from Blackboard. If you log into Blackboard and go to your institution page, there is Kaltura as an option, and you have to download their software. But that's what I use. And that's about it. Once again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Bye!